Okay. 2, 1. Please welcome our special guest from Hello, Ruby. She is the only girl from Donald Nan. She is Ruby.
Ayan, and of course, Kuya Chad, hindi lang isa ang ating guest for today. Please welcome. And let's give a big applause to
Yes! Wow! We have our two McDonald Nan partner na.
Ayan, okay kids, wait lang, palapapit ng kids.
Okay, hi.
Pakikilala ng kids.
Okay, greetings, this is Kai Kai. Say hi to Ata. Hi!
Ayan, say hi to kids. Hi! Ayan. Okay, kids. Kita muna, kids. Sit down. Ang hindi mo po, hindi makakapagpa-picture kay Grimace at kay Birdie. 1, 2, 3. Ayan, ang babalik naman pala ng kids natin. Okay, and of course, syempre tinatawagan ko po ang ating celebrant na si Baby Kai Kai together with Mommy and Daddy para po sa picture sa ating love character na si Birdie and si Grimace. Okay, dito ka, ano muna, Grimace. Ma'am, dito po kayo sa gitna together with our love character.
Okay. Relays Congress. 3, 2, 1, smile. One more. Okay, sa akin naman po.
Baby guys, takot na ang ating celebrant. Okay, sige, tama na.
And of course, and now we're going to sing a happy birthday to our birthday celebrant, Kai Kai.
Ayan, and of course, syempre, nangyayang ko po ang lahat ay magsitayo para po kantaan natin ng happy birthday ang ating celebrant. Ayan, and of course, syempre, tinatawagan ko po once again ang mommy and daddy at ang sister po ng ating celebrant, si Baby Kai Kai. Ayun na po, nasa na po si daddy. Si daddy po nasa? Okay lang. Kaya Chad, hindi lang po si daddy. Okay, wait lang po. Ayan, wait lang, antay lang natin si daddy. Ayan, okay.
Okay, everyone, kids, okay, stand up, everyone, and we're going to sing a happy birthday song to our birthday celebrant, Kai Kai. In 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, sa mga sigla, in 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, happy second birthday, Kai Kai. Okay, before you blow your candle, Kai Kai, Mom and Dad, what is your birthday wish to Kai Kai? Okay, let's start with Mommy.
May takot sa Diyos. Nawasan mo na yung pagiging mataray mo sa kapangkakan.
Napakataray yun eh.
Baka enjoy mo lang kami.
Once again, thank you so much. And of course, at the count of 3, you're going to blow your candle, Kai Kai, in 3, 2, 1. Alright, happy birthday kay Kai!
Okay, picture po ulit muna. Okay, kids, ito nila kids. Ayan, hindi ka na 5, 4. Hindi makakapagpa-picture kay Greenies ang bata ng kayo. Ayan, maraming salamat po kay Mommy and Daddy. And now, sa lahat po ng mga guests, family, friends, na gusto po magpa-picture sa ating land character na si Birdie and si Greenery, meron na po kayong last 10 minutes. Okay, sige. Nasa na po ang mga magulang nito? Ayan, di ba? Para na tayo ano? Magagalit ang ating celebrant. Ayan po, once again po, meron po tayong last 10 minutes, okay? O, sige po, picturean nyo na po lahat.